So for this week prediction, it's gonna be easy but tricky. Quite easy because we see the big momentum to the upside. You know what? Let me clear it up. Smaller and see what happened. This is what happened this week. Nothing but green. So the momentum is for the upside. I put here two charts, one behind the other, 4-hour chart and almost the daily chart. And you could see on the 1-hour chart it break the trend, and also the daily it break here. So it means it's want to move higher, and this is why I put the Fibonacci level, because on my algos there nothing much to say, because there is a small, almost create a small divergence. And why did this big move? Because on Friday the 444 was the max span for all the option sellers or buyers. So a lot of put was below this price and a lot of call was above this price. So this was the max span from the market to give them. So all those expires worthless, or above expires worthless, and the most volume was between below the 444 or above it. So the price action moved the market. They preferred to invest and not to lose a lot of money with the option, and just to move the market to this price. Is it manipulation? Yes. Is it legal? I don't know. They have the money, they have the power. So if we now examine it, because it doesn't matter nothing, because they bought. So if they bought, let's examine where they bought. They bought here, because you see the volume. They bought here, you can see the volume. They bought here, you can see the volume. And they enter here, you can see the volume. So you also can see that they enter at a good here, and this is a sell, red is a sell, and they enter here, and then enter here, and enter where it is here to make a confirmation. So what is the average price? Something in this area. So let's assume their average price is 426. Where is their stop loss? 410. Let's make it easy. 15 bucks. So 1 to 2, you would say 15 bucks, 30 bucks. So you want to reach 456. Let's say this one. Now let's take Fibonacci. This is the low, this is here, this is on the 4-hour retracement. Where do we reach? First, you can examine how it's perfectly in line with the key level of my algo resistance or support line, if you want to call it. It's let's say profit target and entry point. And see exactly 453. 61 is the 458, 59. So basically tell that the market want to reach those levels. And yes, we have here nice resistance, resistance, resistance. See here how it reacts, price accumulation, support, resistance, break, and break above. Which means the momentum is for the upside, want to reach there. Will it reach immediately? Continue the straight line of the green candle? It can, but I think it will want to move lower, rest on the 200, maybe on the 440, and then came up. This will be more healthy move to the upside, because just moving up won't give the market time to participate in the moving up. A lot of trader will wait for the reversal, and if it will came too late, they will just wait and wait and wait and wait and wait and wait, and falling straight line from the 460 again, it's not a good idea. But falling from here, it's a better idea. Give them the time to participate and then move to the upside. So this is with the SPY. Nothing much to say again. Let's go to the Qs. Almost the same, guys. So you could see here. So with the Qs, the 360 is more the first target it wanna reach. But see here, it didn't finish. It didn't create a yellow line. Didn't create it. So I will wait. It can move to the downside and still create it, because the momentum is for the upside, which is nice. Like you see it here, it's moving sideways and create the yellow. So I will wait for the reversal first. And if you look for divergence, let's see it far away here, which means there should be a reversal. Again, where is the point? Here, 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 here. So even 380. If we check the Fibonacci extension, let's check here again, down. You could see 365 is the area, which is on the resistance here, which is nice. So 360, 365, this is the key. Come on, let's hope it will move something like this, and then if what? Let me try to check something. This is the first move, second move, so this is the third move. So if the price will reach here, see what happened. This is the 360 almost, 365, okay. So the price it can open with a gap down and immediately push up. It's okay, because this is a reversal. Bring the buyers opportunity to buy from the 346 and then push the stock higher. Just saying, putting it here. Let's continue with Tesla. Again with Tesla, why I use now Fibonacci, I don't know. Sometimes I like it, sometimes it's nice. Again, the 61, the 50, the 38, amazing. Computer, hello. And 950, then 30 area. See it here, daily. And yeah, Tesla definitely want to move higher, but still need reversal. So if this is the first, second, this is the third, to move something like this, 875, which is good. So let's hope for a nice reversal. The momentum is for the upside. The buyers didn't came, which means if they want to bring the buyers, we'll move and give them the confirmation of the move up, of the break. because you don't like to break the 200 and immediately sell off. Too much pain. Also Friday is a pain, big pain. All the option buyers took. And now this, no, I think they will give them the opportunity here and then break to the upside. And if we do so on the something like, can even do something like this. Can even do this one. But a good move is, where it is, this one. No, the 850, the 850, yeah. From the 850, it's a good one, and then move to the upside. So this is with Tesla. MRNA, why I didn't trade it, it did exactly what I wanted. Break the 157 here. If I was entering, nice profit, even left some over to the 185. Next target for it will continue higher. It can do the same here. Next target is 220, and if next is 35 here, which is nice. And Facebook again broke it here. We know it will push to the 210, break the 210. It didn't give the confirmation. Let's wait a little bit. If it bounce, rest on it, and then move to the upside. Nice beginning of a trend to close the gap. They want to close the gap, which is a good profit taking. So move it here, close above, give the confirmation, first target. If it will, second target. This will be a big move to the upside. So in order to do so, it will need to do something like this and give long continuation. And then it will push higher. So this is with Facebook. Let's go to Mara. Mara again sideways. Didn't like. I saw it because I wanted from here to touch there. And it will touch here, but see what this line prevented. Not exactly this line, but you know what? See, like it's the same like the market here. You see, I want to see the yellow move up, boom, immediately sell off, and then started to accumulating, then push up. So now I think it will push higher, accumulate enough, and now it will push. Next target will be probably the 37. Will it move in a straight line? Of course not, but will touch here, try break it, and then move here. This is the target. Probably the same for Riot. Yeah, move to the downside. Next target 25. You see it here. This is the target. This is the next 25. And let's talk about OXY. OXY a little bit tricked me with this candle, but it's okay. Will it move lower? See this one, I don't like it. So it's long continuation. It means that there is still power push the stock higher, and see this, I think it can push here, and from that falling down. But, and you can see the buyers came in this candle. So if they enter, let's say, what? If they enter 85, stop loss here, $6. They wanted, let's say, $10. 68, guys. Oh my god, not so good. If they manage to break this, see how it looks. Broke immediately here, so if you can do the same, this is bull flag. Nice bull flag. You could see what happened here. And a break. So this was is a gigantic bull flag. But at the moment doesn't seem it want to break higher, so probably maybe 2 days here inside flag and then decide what to do. Will it go up? Because there is still buying pressure. You can see it here in the oversold area, and the price action is still higher. It means it's want to move higher. Will it break 60? We should find a confirmation, but it doesn't seem too good. But with OXY, and let's move on to the gold, we will finish with conclusion, because see what the gold did. This is the GLD, the ETF of the gold. It broke, and on the longer time frame also it broke it, and again see it here, a divergence. So if you imagine from this one, this is a big flag or a triangle, whatever you want to call it. If it break the 182, and I think it will try to reach the 182 again, there is enough momentum to the 182. It will have to check the 182. If there will be enough power or momentum, it can go even higher to the even 90 again, because this is a big gap, and even this is a small gaps, but even here it doesn't like the gap. So check in the history where it was a big gap. Just look at it. Don't see a big gap here. Here you can see the falling down, closing the gap. But doesn't matter. 80%, 90, almost 90% of the gap are closing. So this is a big gap. So first move 182. See it how it reacts to this resistance. If it closed above, move to the 190. This is the move. But again, with the oil and the gold, the potential of the move higher, it means that the market should move lower, and this is what worries me, because if there is a potential to move up, it can do so. Let's continue, come back to it. It can just 2 days move into the upside, the gold and OXY move sideways, and then it will fall and OXY and gold move up. So you should time it how the market reacts to both. So I will follow OXY, I will follow the gold with the S&P. Not just looking the S&P, I want to see who is reacting first to what, because it can be very tricky. this is the reason I say this is a simple but tricky, because SPY can immediately fall, even though it has momentum, it has a lot of buyers, so I don't worry as much. Even if it opened with a gap down, I will now look for buy opportunities. But I will watch closely what happened with the gold and the oil to see how they react. At the moment, it seems that the market push higher just off the option. They prefer to invest in the market, which means they decided this is a good zone of profit, and they are reaching to the 460, and with Tesla the 1000, even with you saw MRNA, Facebook, every stock want to move higher. So is it a clear prediction? No. It's a tricky one, simple but tricky, so I will wait. If I see a gap down and a green candle on the 1 hour chart, or if you are more investor like a couple of days, so swing trade on the 4 hour chart, green one, then you can enter to the push up. But if you see a gap down, immediately sell off. I will wait for opportunity to buy it much cheaper. So this is it. To conclude, I'm a bullish at the moment, but a careful bullish, because we just broke the 200. I will wait for support, to find support on it, on a key zones, and then enter to decide. So be patient, careful, and good luck, guys.